Hi everyone. I know it's different. The setup is a bit different, but so I bring you today the unboxing and the setup of a surround system. Wow! So when I was putting the Apple TV on and I had the speakers, the dual HomePod minis, I went on a rabbit hole because I was always thinking, but it could sound better. Like everything in life, everything can be better. So I went on that rabbit hole, the rabbit hole of the surround systems, the Dolby Atmos, the 7.1, 7.1.4, and so on and so on. So I landed on this one. There was a lot of ones that I could land it on, but I landed on this one, which is the Hisense AX5100Q 5.1 channel, which means 5 speakers and 1 bass. 5.1, easy. It is compatible with Dolby Atmos, DTS, and it has wireless subwoofer, 580 watts, which is a bit too much, but okay. 5 EQs and a high concerto, which basically if you have a Hisense TV, everything works together and you get more speakers, whatever. So, on with the unboxing. Let's try not to cut ourselves. To be fair, I don't know how to open this because this does look a bit different. So, what do we have here? Okay. A speaker, one of the channels that goes to the back of it. Okay, pretty nice. If you wouldn't mind. Play. Inside we get an accessories box, which it brings a lot of things. Wow. So screws to have it on the wall, which we're not going to use. A power cable, probably for the rear speakers. Interesting. Interesting. This probably is the connections for both surround systems, exactly, left and right channels. Okay, so far so good. A remote, amazing. And finally, HDMI for the base of it, a E-arc, normal cable, I think, normal cable, all good. Now, oh, what is this? Oh, batteries, amazing. And now it's the power connections. Okay. Cats, mate, they play with everything. My cat does. I don't know about yours. Okay, so what do we have here more? I don't know. I don't know if you'll be able to see everything. This is this this is the spoofer. My God, it's a gorgeous thing. It's a gorgeous thing. Here we have the side, the back side of it. Just needs power connection, pretty much that, and the pair button here. Underneath, side, pretty much this. Okay. Set it aside. And here we have another speaker, another back speaker. This is it. To connect it on the back and on the walls. Pretty nice, pretty nice. So far so good. Information, quick guides, European guarantee. W's in the chat for the European Union. Stupid fucking joke. Okay. Well, I'll do this later. Now, how do I take this off? So I did this wrong. You have to open it from this side and not the other side, but it's normal. I'm used to not doing things the right way. So here it is, the soundbar. So it's a bit long, but it does look good. So how does this work? There's a center speaker that goes like this, and there's the left and the right channels. And then there's the two back channels, which makes, if math does not fail me, 5 channels. So that's why it's called 5. So back ports, HDMI E ARC, which is important, USB-A, optical one, power cable, and auxiliary. You can have this on the wall if you want. I don't think. Ow! I don't think it's a good viable option, but okay. And this is the unboxing done, part of it. Now we go on to the setup. So quickly, this is the cables that it brings. Better view for you. So this is the sound that it comes from a normal video and from the HomePod minis. Okay. Now I'm gonna put a Dolby Atmos one. Okay. Now we'll be back after we set everything up. So I would like to know if you found the rear speakers, but for your viewing pleasure, just have to look like this way, and you'll find them. They are between the books, which I think is very clever. If you don't saying so. And this is how it is on the central stage, basically. Hi everyone, to the day after yesterday, which is called tomorrow. So everything is set up right now. To be honest, it was a bit difficult because at the beginning the voices coming from the soundbar would not be good. It was out of sync from the speakers on the back. But as you can see, it's on eARC. This TV it is capable with eARC. This has other means of connection, but this is the good one. This is the speaker, the bass, I'm sorry. And I'm just gonna show you how it looks and how it sounds with the same comparison of the before with the HomePod minis. It's good. I'm gonna just go out there and say it. It's good. It's not as good as I thought it would be, but it's still good and better than what I had. So given that, I'm not that mad about it, I would say. So yeah, on with the testing. So you can hear the difference, I think, but where I see a bigger difference, it's on the Dolby Atmos 5.1 surround sound test, so let's see if you can tell the difference. So another thing I would like to test, it's the bass test, the subwoofer test. So let's see if you can hear it there as well. It only picks up after 40. Yeah, good things then. And another thing, take it easy, Spider-Man. As you can see, I am lowering the sound on the Apple TV remote option, and it automatically changes on the bar as well, which is very nice. Another good thing is the remote in itself. It has the surround system. It can go to the pure, pro or off. The Bluetooth option, the EQ option, which is basically you go through movie, AI, news, sports, night, AI, movie, music, game and news. Let's put game and have and one out. You can have more bass on it, more treble, and more dimmer. Or, I don't know. Oh, the lights on the. Oh, okay. Nice. So pretty much this is the function of this. I am just going to play a blitz real quick. I usually don't play blitz, as you know. I play normal, but this is just for you to check the sound and understand the differences and how it sounds on the game mode, okay? Doesn't matter, it's okay, you will lose sometimes out of spawn. So you understand how it works, how it sounds, and hopefully none of you are here to see this. How the fuck do I turn? Oh. Okay. So some of you might understand the sound now. I have yet to see a movie on it, so I can't say how good it is on a movie, but by the sounds of the Dolby Atmos, I think it will sound good. That's the best way I can put it. Oh yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm happy with it, but like I said, I thought it was a bit more. Especially on the surround sounds, the speakers are not that high as I thought they would be. That's based on me, it's not on the speakers in itself. I thought it was higher. So yeah. Thanks for watching! Hi, Editing John here. I forgot to explain how I connected everything. So it was basically HDMI cable from the soundbar to the HDMI eARC port, which is the HDMI 1 on the TV. The Apple TV goes to the HDMI 2. Okay, so that's how it does. Apple TV 2, sound HDMI from 2 to 1 to soundbar. That's pretty much the jigs of it. And I forgot to say how it worked. I also forgot to mention the pair part, because both the speaker and the surround speakers are Bluetooth operated, which they have a button on the outside like I showed you, and you just press on it and they start the pairing option, and you put the soundbar on pairing mode, and it's pretty much easy to understand. The only problem I found was that it needed 3 tries to sync the voices on it. So that was pretty much my biggest issue with it. But now it's amazing. It's much better now than at the start. I'm happy with it. I'm not gonna return it. So yeah. Bye bye. See you later, alligator.